Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X80 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now to get started, let's power off the device by holding the power key. Now I'll also show that I have a pattern, so you can see that this will also remove that pattern. So let's hold power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. And once it has, all you need to do is hold power key, volume up. So as you can see, there we go, recovery. And from here, using volume keys, simply scroll down till you select Wipe Data Factory Reset. And from here, press the power key to confirm it. Select yes, and confirm it once more. And as you can see at the bottom, you should see Data Wipe Complete. And Reboot System now should be selected by default. So press the power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot. This will also continue the process of reset in the background, so the device will be turning on for a little bit longer than it normally does. But once it's finished, we will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.